What's up, YouTube? I make a video today on DOT Thunderbomb packs. Here soon, as I make time, I'm making a video on my Thunderbomb bricks. But I was going through stuff, been getting a lot of new stuff lately, a lot of new bricks, a lot of new packs, and I'm gonna go through, show y'all some of my Thunderbomb packs. There's tons of different variations and sizes and all that, but here we're gonna start. Some of these y'all probably already seen. I opened up a brick of first gen daisies. I got tons of those. Y'all seen these right here. Giraffes, bomb logos. Let me show y'all some 16S packs, all reds. Tiger Head brand. Some more 16s, horse brand. Stars. Tiger Head brand. Same ones. Here's some more, the all reds. Here's some bomb logos. 16S. I got a few bricks of these. Here's some more first gen daisies. Some of these have green daisies. Some of them are red and blue daisies. Here's a black label daisies. Horse brand. These are confettis. Red and blue confettis. Got a few packs of those. Moving on, here's a candy bar pack of ladies. I think I only have 2 of these left. I'm probably gonna hold on to those. 50S, clear cello, horse brand, daisies. Those are first gen as well. Here's a 300S. Daisies. First gen. Here's some more of these. Horse brand, bomb logos. I opened up a brick of those as well. Got a few packs of those. Some ladyfinger packs. Tiger Head 40S. Ladyfinger 40s, horse brand. Horse brand, first gen 40s. Horse brand 80S ladyfinger pack. Here's a Tiger Head brand 80S. There's horse brand 80S. Ladyfinger pack right there. I think this one's more than an 80S, or this one's less than 80, because they're both labeled 80s, but one of them's way longer than the other. So yeah, one of them probably has more in it than the other. Um, Here's a 16S horse brand. Has like a white paper wrap on it, green, red, and blue stars in it. Bomb logo with the pink label. We got a few bricks of these. This is horse brand daisies with this like lighter wrap on it, pink, like a pink wrap. So here's some DOT smokes, horse brand with the lit crackers on it. Just another different label, I guess. Going back up here, here's some more ladies. This is a 40S first gen. Another pack of ladies. This one doesn't say the count. Black label. Notice that there's no count on it. Here's a clear cello 12S horse brand daisies. Bomb logo 7/8 or ladyfinger 40s. This is a 16S daisies. Some of these they have different markings on each label, so I just tried to put a whole bunch of the packs that I noticed differences on the labels on the table. That's what I put on here. Here's a 20S first gen daisies. That's a 20S right there. There's another 16S first gen daisies. Going back up here, 12S stars. There's a whole bunch of these tiger head stars 16S. I got a whole brick that I opened of those. Here's some cool ones. 8s horse brand daisies, or no, these are bomb logos, sorry. Bomb logos. 12S horse brand stars. 12S horse brand stars with the clear or the white paper on it. 12S horse brand stars with clear cello on it. 12S horse brand. I think that one has stars as well. This is a 12S horse brand stars with the clear paper on it. Here's some 48s of all red crackers, horse brand. Got a whole stack of those. I'll show you these. These are 32s, but they're labeled 16s. These are all daisies. Got a whole stack of those. Let me see what else. There's a cool one. He's a red cello 16S stars. Red cello. Here's another one just like it. Here's a clear cello 16S confetti. I got a few of those clear cello confettis. Let me see, what is this? This is a horse brand clear cello 10S pack daisies. 8S horse brand. Tennis horse brand. Horse brand 8S daisies. 16S first gen clear cello daisies. And then here we go on to some 2-inchers. Tiger head 2-inchers. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10S pack, 2-inch, just labeled wrong. Here is a horse brand 10S. This is a tiger. This is a horse brand. And then here's an 8S horse brand. And I got a whole bunch of these 2-inchers. I got some more of these. Here's a 4-inch 4S horse brand. What else I got here? I got a 60S horse brand. Let me see. Here's a 40S confetti horse brand. Let's see. 32S red cello confettis. .24S stars. This one's a horse brand. Here's a 32S with the big label on it. First gen daisies. Here's a 50S horse brand stars. And here is a 50S horse brand confetti red cello. This is a real nice pack. I got a few of these. It's one of my favorite ones that I have. And then I opened up one of these not too long ago. I think I made a video of these before. First gen 400S daisies with the orange wrap on them. They're all crimped. These are some badass packs. I opened up one of these and I still have I got like 5 of these left. These are some of my Thunderbomb packs. As y'all can see, I got a lot more logos, and you know, I got a few other ones in more boxes. Like I said, I've been adding more bricks to my collection. Been adding some more packs, more rare packs, I guess you can say. Class 1, Class 2 packs, a few cool bricks, and I'll make a video for sure tonight on some more of my new packs that I've been adding to my collection. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all keep watching my videos, and I'll keep adding videos. Thanks for watching, guys.